the annual track meet brings the best athletes in the world right here to Modesto. Here's a look at some highlights.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Coca-Cola Modesto Relays.
Aubrey Herring running very well. Herring and Wilson. And it is Herring.
Are you happy with 13:38?
Please, yes. That lets me know that our track is going in the right direction. It's a good time for this time of the season, so I'm happy.
You know, I believe that the high hurdles is one of the toughest events in the world. What's it like to compete every week with Alan Johnson, Dominic Arnold, Lade Jukare, and Lu Shang, some of those guys? This is a tough event week in, week out.
You kind of got to be ready all the time. You can't afford to take a week off or take a race off or a hurdle off, so it kind of keeps you focused.
Congratulations, 13:38. Appreciate it. Aubrey Herring.
Out very well in the middle of the track. Adams and Felician. And it is Adams and Felician, and Jenny Adams is the winner, followed by Felician.
Congratulations, Jenny Adams, winner of the 100 meter hurdles. You got to be pleased with that time.
I am so excited right now. Today I really wanted to come out and just execute some things technically. And that's what happens whenever you focus on just the technique. The time comes, so I'm really fired up for that.
Well, it's got to be a big win for you over Purdue and the fastest time in the world.
Yeah, we definitely had some good competition today, and I'm very grateful for that because these girls were all out here really running fast, and that only helps me be better. So I just have to say that all the girls were great, and the fans were great, and the weather was great, and this is just a beautiful day.
All right, congratulations, Jenny Adams.
Thank you.
Here's the first program, it looks like, in 1942.
First program, 1942, signed by Dutch Warmerdale.
In about 45 minutes.
And now for a look at another event from this past weekend, here's Jeff Sparkman.
Thanks, Brian. I'm here at Bonanza Books and Comics on McHenry for Free Comic Book Day, which happens once a year. Let's go check out some comics. The comics given away today are produced specifically for Free Comic Book Day. Bonanza plans to give away close to 1,000 comics at the event.
Free Comic Book Day is now the 5th annual event. It's sort of based on the idea of the Free Scoop Night from Baskin-Robbins. The idea is to get people excited about comic books. All the major publishers pitch in and get us material that's suitable for all ages, and that we can, that parents and kids alike, and also some of the more independent publishers also help us out and give us a lot of support.
Artist Ethan Beavers was here drawing sketches for fans and signing books.
I traded, a really good paycheck in for, a lot of question marks in illustration and design, and eventually, after doing that for a little while, I decided what I really wanted to do was try my hand at comics. But it didn't take me very long before I had done a couple of fill-in issues at DC, which I'm pretty sure I was sort of on a bit of a fast track there compared to a lot of guys banging their head for a long time. It's just I just got lucky, the stars were aligned, and from that work I wound up getting noticed actually at Warner Brothers Animation, and some of the fellas down there saw some of my comics and hired me on a very small job storyboarding on the Justice League Unlimited TV show.
I went on the internet a couple of years ago. We have recently upgraded the site to a new server. We're getting about 111,000 hits a month. We don't owe anything to any company. If we do a review of a book and we think it stinks, we tell them it stinks. And the companies so far have been pleased with that. We've got about 800 movie reviews on the site now, probably close to 1,000 comic book reviews, maybe 50 interviews with everybody from Stan Lee to Zoe Moonshine. She's an actress with independent films.
For those and all of the day's top stories, turn to the Modesto Bee or keep it right here at modbee.com.